When implementing systems for real-time process visualization, we at Schneider Electric have the capability to address pretty much any size or any scale of project. Clearly, the smaller scale of the project typically implements faster with less being necessary technology-wise. We can go with things that are as small as embedded devices, and even smaller to that. And we can go down even to the chip level in terms of some of the things we can do, or we can go up in the large systems that are very distributed supervisory control applications. We've worked across the board to try and keep the effort down to put those systems together and to continue to lower them. But ultimately, in terms of for smaller applications, there's very, very little required. And we've actually continued to lower the footprint even on the larger applications as well. The things that make Schneider Electric software offerings in the area of process visualization different from those others in the industry. First and foremost, our commitment to being hardware agnostic, and not only hardware agnostic, but just connecting to anything out there, being completely open and interoperable into not just other SCADA systems or other hardware, but also interoperable for other information systems, other data systems. So I would say our open extensibility, that is going to be the thing that separates us the most from the competition.
I agree, and also the culture to be really, truly customer focused as we evolve the products, right? We are all involved directly with the technology on the product, but we see technology as a mean to an end. So the real importance is what benefits our products bring to the customers, what value the products bring to the customer, and whatever technology we decide to use is just the most suitable tool to achieve these kind of benefits to the customer. So I think continue being customer focused and forget about trying to lock customers into our solution, but on the contrary, try to provide something that truly brings benefits to them is what allowed us not only to become number one in the market share today, but sustain this position in the years to come.
As it becomes more of a profession, we provide more and more in the box for the customers to be able to reach that level of profession without themselves having to put the years of investment in there to get there.
What I love about our software is that typically we're not people that run around and start using buzzwords to look relevant. We first look at these technologies and see how they can be relevant to our customers, instead of making ourselves relevant by using them, for example, IoT or IT-OT conversions. The first question we ask ourselves before we create features around these things is like, how would it benefit our end user? So throughout our software, our main goal always has been like, how can we help our customers to be more effective and improve their operations through putting features into the product. I think that's the main differentiator for us out of a software perspective.
Yeah, another thing I like about our software is not only that it's customer focused, not only that it's industry focused, it's easy to use, easy to engineer, and easy to port from one system over to another system, easy to upgrade. And as far as the lifecycle maintenance, it's easy to support as well. So a lot of by providing a platform technologies across all the functionalities, across all the industry. So this we can have a consistent standard of practice when we are doing the engineering, when we are delivering our function to the customer. So in that way, it saves a lot of cost of ownership. All right. So these are all the advantages that is proven. These are all the advantages that feedback to us from the customer themselves. All right. So I think that is our strength, and that is why customers love it and why we love it.